Hello again, everyone. Week 5. How does developmentally appropriate practice help me understand the needs of children birth through grade 3? This week, you have your PowerPoint 5.1, which talks about the care and education of infants and toddlers. You have an infant toddler plan that is due this week. There is an example on Moodle for you. Also, your plan is going to be posted on Chalk and Wire. So I would like to review the Chalk and Wire rubric briefly with you. You're going to use the Moodle rubric as a guide to design a developmentally appropriate indoor and outdoor environment daycare plan for infants ages 6 weeks through 18 months. Each category should be at least half a page, times New Roman font. The size is 12, double-spaced, standard margins. This is an APA paper with 7 to 10 pages that should also contain subheadings based on each rubric element. Create a plan for the class of 7 students in various stages of development. Licensing would require 2 teachers in the center at all times because of the infants. You have 2 adults taking care of 7 children. The project is to include a simple line drawing map of the indoor and outdoor space, as well as a narrative explaining the plan. You need to cite your references if you want to score anything above acceptable. To score in the competent area, citations are included. Notice in the exemplary area that you do have citations, but notice the detail fully describes how infants and toddlers have an opportunity to interact socially through the physical space of the classroom, toys, equipment, and materials, planned activities, and interactions with the teacher. All the way down the exemplary column is very detailed. If you do not have citations, you will not score higher than the acceptable level. On Chalk and Wire, you have your artifact reflection, which you have done before with Chalk and Wire. Please make sure that it is complete. The Ohio standards that they are referring to are the Ohio Standards for the Teaching Profession. The Moodle rubric for your plan has a few more elements than the Chalk and Wire. So please make sure, again, if you want to receive maximum points, that you are in the exemplary column of the rubric. If you have questions, please email me and ask your question. I want you all to do well on this assignment. The forms that you need can be found in the support documents 5 on Moodle. Thank you.